Welcome to the channel, guys. This is Paul Vargas and I am the owner of ZEBIANMNL. We are a small leather crafting studio based here in the Philippines. Okay? Oh, here's my little studio. What's up, subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. This is paulboninvargas of ZEBIANMNL, the channel where you can learn and earn from leather crafting. If you are new here, don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our channel. Your subscription will come a long way for us, for ZEBIANMNL, so that we can push for more videos to other people who would like or who would love to learn leather crafting as well. And if you are already subscribed, I would like to say thank you, a big thank you. And if only I can give you a hug, I would do. But since we are in a pandemic or in the middle of a pandemic, maybe a virtual hug will do. Come here. Come here. 2020 has been a different year for almost all of us. It has affected almost all of us from different walks of life, and almost all of us are caught with the pandemic. It is also a year of ups and downs, of losses and wins. But it is also a year of pushing through with the things that you have been looking forward to do even before the pandemic, but too afraid to fail. But after all, because of the pandemic, no one will be too judgmental on whatever you do or pursue. So here's a look back on my 2020. Welcome to the channel, guys. This is Paul Vargas and I am the owner of ZEBIANMNL. We are a small leather crafting studio based here in the Philippines. Here in YouTube, they gave out special awards like the play buttons for the subscribers that you gain. There's the 100,000 subscribers play button, which is the silver one, the gold one for the 1 million subscribers gained, and the diamond for the 10 million subscribers gained. Bali ako, naka 500 subscribers na ako, so meron tayong leather play button. So without further ado, here is our first awardee, and he is Nicola Nimor. What's up, madlang people? Gulat kayo, no? Akala nyo si Papa Piolo. Nagkakamali kayo. Di din to si Arnold Clavio. Ako nga po pala si Paulboninvargas ng Muntinlupa sa labas. At naniniwala ko sa kasabihang ang naglalakad ng matulin, may vlog na tatapusin. The second leather play button award goes to Danilo Breño of Better Than Vlogs. Our next leather play button award goes to Jason Magbano. Here's our leather bracelet. At the end of 2020, my fellow Bicolanos were greatly affected by storms after storms. I would like to thank the following people for helping me reach out to our fellow Bicolanos affected by the typhoons. And please do subscribe and follow their channels because these persons or these people have awesome channels as well. So here they are. So the first channel is Jellified.
Ayan mga kababayan,
Move over, Ivana Awali.
sa sobrang linis po ng tubig dito pwede na po tayong maglaba.
Wow!
Our next channel is Desai Reluya.
Guys, this is the Jujuwain or Totropahin challenge. Okay, so we have names here that anyone can pick.
Sana naman nilagyan mo ng Koreans.
Oh, there's Koreans that take the yellow ones and then you pick Tintin, so Tintin will go first. It's okay if you don't have to. Ay, okay lang kung hindi mo bibigyan ng rason kung bakit Jujuwain or Totropahin, but mas okay kung may reason. So you can pick which one of the two.
Minute ah.
Tintin!
Jujuwain. Aasawahin.
Totropahin or
Kasi hindi mo matmat.
Oh!
Aasawahin.
Aasawahin niya talaga!
Next one is Miss Meteorology.
Hi kids, I'm Miss Meteorology and I will be your teacher for this video lesson about the different types of relationships in analogy. Brace yourselves for we are having a fully loaded lesson today. If you are ready, let's get to it. In this session, you will learn the 7 common types of relationships in analogy. Before we begin, let's have a recap. Analogy means having a pair of terms that has common relationships. It shows connections and comparisons between unlike things which highlight how they are alike.
Also, do check out channel of Jalazone.
One, two, three, four. Let's go!
Hi ate, good afternoon.
Ganun po.
Kilala niyo po ba si Jellozone?
Sir, hindi ko po siya kilala, sir.
Hindi ba napapadpad dito yun ate? Parang dati nakita ko na dito eh.
Masyado siyang kita dito, sir.
Ah, hindi niyo pa nakaka-jamming, no?
Hindi pa po.
Sige madam, maraming salamat po ah.
Thank you din po,
Salamat.
sir.
Sino nga ba si Jellozone? Who is Jellozone? Nosy Bayasi. Alam niyo na ba ang kasagutan?
And lastly, one of the most underrated shoutcaster here in the Philippines, Eman Escalona Jr.
Okay, so nasira na yung ginagamit nating electric fan. So bumili tayo ng bagong electric fan. Ito na yung Asahi Wooden Design Stand Fan. Asahi. 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 Asahi.
Alright, so that is my 2020. I'm looking forward to producing more awesome videos for leather crafting, of course, more tutorials, and of course, we are setting our eyes on our mission, and that is to teach free leather crafting lessons to our fellow Filipinos. Don't forget to check out our other videos of our leather crafting lessons, and if you love this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, your comment your messages below, and of course, please do subscribe. And I would like to thank again everyone for being part of our 2020. So that's it, and just mabalos!